You ever wonder what an ED consultation is like with a doctor who specializes in sexual health? Well, I'm Dr. Ann Truong. I've been a medical doctor for over 25 years. I've treated over 7,000 men with ED. And today I'm going to talk about what I do to evaluate a man with ED in my office and come up with a treatment plan and why. Because this will be informative for you. Because if you're thinking about restoring your performance again, getting rid of ED, this is the step you need to take. Because ED is complex. You can't figure it out yourself because there are so many things that are moving at this point when you have ED that you really need to lean into the professionals. However, if you really follow me on my YouTube channel, you're going to get a lot of guide on what to do even on your own. I'd love to hear about it if you are doing that, okay? So first, if you're a man, let's say you're 55 years old and you notice you've been having ED for the past year, you don't really want to take Viagra, maybe you did try Viagra, it didn't really work, and it's hit or miss, and your problem is that you're able to get an erection, you just can't maintain it, and that it goes soft during penetration, and it's becoming kind of a problematic with your girlfriend, and it's kind of causing some tension as well. And you don't know what you need to do at this point. You're going online looking for stuff like, should I buy this supplement? Should I buy that? Should I get that? What should I do? Well, we're going to talk about how to approach that situation. So you reach out to my office at the link down below, Renew with Dr. Ann. You're going to schedule a time that you're going to talk with my patient ambassador team, which is run by my husband, Bao Truong. So you're going to talk with somebody from there, and then you're going to fill out your time. And then at the time that is convenient for you, we'll call you on the phone. And the purpose of this phone call is to find out how we can work together to get the result that you want. We'll talk about what's going on with you, what's your concern, what's your difficulty, and what you like to happen, and whether what I do in the office will fit for your needs. It's a conversation that can range from 10 minutes to 45 minutes. And if things work out, that is you're fit for what we can do to get you to performing again, then what you do is you schedule a consultation. And if the patient ambassador deemed that you are appropriate to get same day in office treatment, then he will schedule you for that as well too. And our in-office treatment range between 8,000 to even 20,000 for ED restoration in as little as 5 days, depending on your condition. But before you even come in to the office, we have you do some preliminary work. I will order comprehensive blood work that look essentially from your head to your toe, looking at your blood cell count, your kidney, your liver, your hormones, how the nerve function, inflammatory factors, looking at your blood sugar, looking at your cholesterol, and looking at your testosterone level. Essentially, you're going to get a comprehensive blood work that's probably going to involve between like 10 tubes that you go to the lab for, and they will draw it for you. The result gets sent to me. And then when the time of the appointment, when you show up, we already have that blood work ready. So when you show up to the appointment, our office would already sent you details of questionnaire that you fill out as well as your medical history. So we would know all your medical history. We would send you a questionnaire about your ED severity, which is with the IIEF, your testosterone questionnaire, which is the ADAM. We also send a questionnaire for the prostate, which is the IPPS questionnaire, to kind of see where you are in your prostate symptoms. And now we're going to use the perceived stress scale to assess your stress level as well. On the day of the visit, you come in and we have all that available as well as your blood work. And you will then be greeted with our team. You will bring to the room, and then I will see you in the office. In the office, we'll go over all the paperwork, but we'll discuss what's important for you, what are your struggles at this time. And if your erection goes away when you're firm, then it's most likely being asleep. And then I will assess which one of the 6 system of the Get Heart system that is broken down. The Get Heart system look at 6 system, which is the brain. What's going on in the brain? Are you able to get aroused? Are the 5 or the 6 senses that normally start the erection, is that working, right? I will assess the brain function, whether you're able to get aroused, and then I will assess your emotional statuses, and some of that we do that in the questionnaire, but also in discussion with you as well, whether you're on medication or not, whether you're under stress at this point, how's that going? And then we're going to assess for system number 3, which is the hormone, which is measured by the blood work, but then also correlating that with the testosterone questionnaire, which is the ADAM questionnaire. And then we'll also assess then the nerve function, whether the nerve function is working properly from the brain to the nerve by looking at the parasympathetic nervous system. And we can look at the parasympathetic nervous system by looking at your blood pressure, your heart rate, your skin, the temperature of your skin, as well as how your eyes look and how your skin is as well. So I can tell whether you're in the parasympathetic mode or sympathetic mode. And that's the nerve. System number 4. System number 5 is the blood vessel or the heart. We'll listen to your heart, we'll measure your pulses, see what your pulse is like and all over your limbs, as well as in the groin area, feel your thyroid, look at your blood vessel, your carotid, your heart, your pulses, your skin, to listen to your heart and lung, assess for your abdomen, look at your leg to see if you have any skin changes or any hair loss or loss of temperature as well, which will tell me about your parasympathetic sympathetic tone. And then that's the blood vessel. And then we'll also look at the penis to assess for the muscle. You see if there's any nodules such as Peyronie, any bending. We'll also assess for the state of the blood flow in the penis. And if necessary, we'll do a Doppler ultrasound. If not, it's okay. Most of the time with examination, we'll know what is going on by looking at the 6 systems. So I determined with 6 systems is broken down that need to be fixed. And then from there, the Get Heart system involved treatment that's going to restore function. So what we're going to do is in order to, let's say you lose it when you're firm, which is the most common presentation of ED, then we're going to bring in more blood flow to the penis by using your own platelets we would do at the same day treatment. We will draw out your blood, draw out about 180 to 240 cc's blood, but don't worry, you have 5,000 cc's of that. But we do big draw, and then that's gonna give us about 60 billion platelets, which will help you make more blood vessels, particularly in the penis. So that we draw the blood, we put it in a centrifuge, we analyze it, that becomes platelet-rich plasma. That is then put into the penis. And then on top of that, we also use focused Shockwave, which is a machine, and I've talked about this before, that goes in and kind of get rid of any plaques, get rid of any scar tissue in there, and also blood flow. And then I will also put in Botox into the penis, 100 units of Botox into the penis. And what the Botox does is that it relaxes the penis muscle in order for it to be able to expand when blood flow comes in. And then what we also are doing now is we do post-electromagnetic stimulation that is targeted around the groin area in the penis, as well as the pelvic area, to detoxify and begin healing again around the groin, the penis, and pelvic area. That takes about 20 minutes. Doing the Shockwave takes about 25 minutes. And then we also do Kegel stimulation, which is the pulsation of the Kegel stimulation with a machine, the Kegel stimulator machine that we put the electrode onto the pelvic muscle to stimulate the muscle. You can get about 8,000, 10,000 contraction within about 25 minutes, all right? So we do that in the office, but we give you that machine to take home to use at home. And then this is not over yet. So then you will also get access to an app, which is called Well World, that will help you stay on track for a Mediterranean diet exercise. You can input all your food in there, and there's also meditation in there as well. I believe in whole body healing. That's why I give you the app to keep you accountable. Now, the Shockwave can be delivered as one, it can be to 3 Shockwave. We can do that 3 days in a row, or it can be 6, which is done once a week for 6 weeks. So the whole evaluation is to find out the root cause of why you have ED. And if it is venous leak, then we look at it from restoring function and erection by creating more blood flow in the penis. So that way, when the penis engorged with blood, it would then compress the vein so that way the blood doesn't come out again. But we also make the pelvic muscle stronger by doing the Kegel stimulation. So the whole goal is to treat the root cause of why you have ED within the 6 system, and then restore function again. But to be honest with you, you have to do the work. You have to do homework. After the treatment, you have to continue and follow the Mediterranean diet. You have to exercise. You have to sleep. You have to use the penis pump as recommended, which is twice a day for 6 weeks, at least 5 times a week or so, because the penis pump is your penis rehab and exerciser. Where can you get the penis pump? You can get the penis pump at ednomore.com, or check the link down below this video to get the penis pump so you can start exercising your penis again. Remember, you are only 1 pump away. So the treatment that I do in the office of Get Heart System is to boost you, to stimulate erection again, stimulate healing again. But you're going to have to do homework to continue it for long term. You don't, it's almost like going to school and then you don't go home, you don't do your homework, you're not going to be able to learn and go to the next level and get longer term results. But all you need to do is to follow the diet and the exercise and doing the pump. You get the Kegel machine. You're going to use the Kegel machine at home as well too. And some men will get the magnet, what they use at home as well. And if you have an enlarged prostate, we can also treat that with our machine that goes into the prostate, vibrated, and also does infrared heat treatment. We are now instituting a new treatment that helps with the brain in the emotion, mainly with performance anxiety and calming down the stress system, and then stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system. We are now doing it with a far infrared machine that also have terahertz, which this technology is from NASA, that we're borrowing that technology in treating the nerve along the spine, the nerve along the neck, as well as the groin and the penis area, to essentially stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for erection, and then calm down the stress system, which is the sympathetic nervous system. We've been seeing great results, and we do that once a week for 3 times. So now we're addressing the emotional part. And if your testosterone level is low, I would then also supplement with testosterone either through pellet insertion or through testosterone injection at this point. Sometimes we'll also add in GLP-1, which is a weight loss medication, either through injection or through oral, that will help lose the fat that you may have. So that way, if you lose the fat, your testosterone level will increase. We find that if men have more fat than is needed and they're obese, it actually will dampen your testosterone response and even affect your erection as well. So the whole visit, it's a comprehensive visit that you're going to be there for about 3 hours with evaluation and treatment. Then you will have homework, and then we will continue to follow you along to help you to be accountable as much as possible. But the thing you have to do is just know that you have to do some homework to keep the result going. Okay, we see great result when you do that. But something that's as important as your erection, you're gonna need to do the work to get the result. Think of erection almost like as weight loss. You take a medicine to help you lose weight, but you still got to eat better, and you still got to exercise, and you still got to follow through. So the Get Heart System, very effective. We are addressing the 6th system with the brain, the arousal, and then the emotion now with the far infrared and the hormone, supplementing with testosterone as need. Sometimes we'll do oxytocin as well. and then the nerve, which we now treating with far infrared with terahertz, and then the blood vessels and also the penis with doing other modalities such as platelet-rich plasma, stem cell, focused shockwave therapy, and Botox therapy. So I believe in treating the root cause, but also healing from the inside. And the way you heal from the inside and fixing that venous leak is through following the Mediterranean diet and doing moderate exercise, which 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. We have seen remarkable improvement, even in men that had the prostate removed, it is not responsive to Viagra. And we're seeing men that have failed Viagra for 10 years and now getting result again without medication. And that's how, if you treat the root cause of the problem, then you're gonna get faster result as well as long-term result. But it takes commitment from you. It takes time from you as well. So I just want to give you a full idea of what the evaluation looked like so you can have an idea of what a comprehensive ED evaluation is like, that involve blood work, involve full treatment, involve evaluating why you have ED, which system is broken down, fix that system, and that's how you're going to get result. Unlike if you're going to go online and then you get like an online dispensary that just give you testosterone, or just online ED dispensary that just give you Viagra or Cialis without really finding out what's really going on with you. And now everybody is different. The plan is customized according to your presentation of your severity of your ED, your medical status, where you live and everything. And we see international patients as well, patients all over the United States. Luckily, we are near a major airport hub in DC and Richmond. So getting here is quite easy. So I hope you find this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. The link to book that discovery call is down below in this link right here, or just go to renewwithdrann.com, because your direction is important. And ED, it's a sign that you may have heart disease later on. You don't want to mess with it. Yeah, I want to say, would you Google when you have a heart attack or chest pain? But don't do that to ED. See the right person, get evaluated, get blood work, so that way you're not messing around trying to figure it out on your own. ED is reversible, all right? Treat it early, treat the root cause, and you get your life back again. Okay, modern man, I'll see you in the next episode. Okay, modern man, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself, it's exhausting. But here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.